weather and seasons in English.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. Boo English Channel, your cozy place to learn real English with fun and feeling.
Hello, I'm Tom.
And I'm Anna.
Today feels perfect for some warm tea and a friendly talk.
Yes, because today we're talking about a topic everyone loves, the weather.
Ah, yes, the classic one. It's funny, right?
Wherever you go, people always talk about the weather first.
True. It's one of the easiest ways to start a conversation in English. So if you feel shy, just ask, "How's the weather today?" It always works.
Before we start, please click like and subscribe to help us make more free English lessons.
Great. So, Anna, how's the weather today where you are?
It's sunny, but a bit windy. The sky is blue, and the air feels fresh.
Nice. Here it's cloudy and cool. Not too hot, not too cold. I like this weather.
That's perfect. Let's teach our friends some easy weather phrases.
Sure. It's sunny. It's a beautiful day. It's raining heavily.
And when it rains a little, you can say it's drizzling.
Drizzling means light rain, a soft rain. Kind of romantic, right?
Yes, especially when you sit near the window with coffee and listen to the rain.
And if there's thunder and lightning, we say, there's a thunderstorm.
Right. And when the air feels wet and heavy, we say it's humid.
I don't like humid weather. My hair goes crazy.
Me too. Let's practice together. Repeat after us. It's sunny today.
Now say, it's raining outside.
Great. These short sentences are perfect for daily talk at the bus stop, in the elevator, or anywhere.
Talking about weather is not just small talk. It's how you connect with people.
So next time someone says hi, you can say, "Nice weather today, isn't it?"
Perfect. Now, let's talk about weather in different countries.
Good idea. In my country, it's tropical. Only 2 seasons, dry and rainy.
Oh, so it's warm all year.
Yes, but in the rainy season, it can rain every afternoon.
Wow. In my country, we have 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
I've always wanted to see snow. Do you like it?
A little. It's beautiful, but cold and slippery. I'd fall 10 times on the ice.
Maybe, but it's fun. You can say it's snowing or it's freezing outside.
Freezing means very cold, right?
Yes. And when it's very hot, you can say it's boiling or it's scorching.
Nice. So, freezing is very cold. Boiling is very hot. Easy to remember.
Exactly. Let's review. Freezing means very cold. It's freezing. I need a jacket. Boiling means very hot. It's boiling today. I can't go outside.
Good. You can also say windy, foggy, or stormy.
I love foggy days. They look soft and quiet.
Yes, like a white blanket covering the world.
So, Tom, what's your favorite season?
Easy, summer. I love the beach, sunshine, and ice cream.
Nice. For me, it's autumn. Cool air, golden leaves, cozy sweaters.
Autumn sounds peaceful.
It is. And you?
Summer makes me happy, even when it's hot.
Okay, listeners, what about you? Say it out loud. My favorite season is...
Go ahead. My favorite season is summer.
Great job.
Remember, speaking out loud helps you learn faster.
Yes, every small sentence helps you get better. Mistakes mean you're learning.
Now, what do you do in each season?
Let's talk about that. But first, let's get a hot drink.
Good idea. Stay with us. We'll talk about fun activities in each season.
Okay, I've got my tea. So Anna, what do you like doing in autumn?
I love walking in the park and hearing the sound of dry leaves. The air feels calm.
That sounds wonderful. Do you like autumn food?
Yes, pumpkin soup, apple pie, hot chocolate. Everything smells warm and sweet.
When the weather is cool, food tastes better.
So true. What about you, Tom?
I love swimming in summer. The beach, the sound of waves, the sunlight, that's my happy place.
That's great. So you can say, I love going to the beach in summer.
Or I like swimming when it's hot.
Perfect. And when you relax, you can say, I need to recharge.
Yes, like charging your phone, but for your mind.
Exactly. Let's practice. In summer, I go to the beach.
In winter, I drink hot chocolate.
In spring, I see flowers bloom.
Great job. Do you like winter, Anna?
Only when I stay inside. I love reading by the window when snow falls.
That sounds cozy. Cozy means warm, safe, and comfortable.
Yes, in my country, we don't have snow. But when it rains, I drink tea under a blanket. That's my winter.
That's cute. It's not about the weather, it's about the feeling.
Exactly. Does the weather change your mood, Tom?
Oh, yes. When it's sunny, I feel happy. When it's cloudy, I feel sleepy.
Same. You can say, rainy days make me sleepy. Or sunny weather makes me happy.
Try it, everyone. In cold weather, I feel lazy.
In warm weather, I feel full of energy.
Perfect. Language is not only words, it's feeling.
So true. Let's play a game. I say the weather, you say the feeling.
Sunny,
Happy,
rainy,
sleepy, but peaceful.
windy,
Excited,
snowy.
romantic. I want hot chocolate.
Okay, one more. It's raining cats and dogs.
Funny. It means raining very hard.
But don't worry, no real cats or dogs. Let's repeat some idioms. I'm feeling under the weather.
I'm feeling under the weather.
Every cloud has a silver lining.
Every cloud has a silver lining.
It's raining cats and dogs.
It's raining cats and dogs.
Great job! Idioms make your English sound natural. Write your favorite one in the comments.
Yes. Tell us one weather idiom you learned today. We've talked about weather, seasons, and feelings. Now, let's see how weather changes your energy.
Yes, when it's sunny, I wake up fast. When it rains, I want to sleep.
That's normal. Sunshine gives your body vitamin D. It makes you happy and active.
That's why sunny days feel so good. Rainy days slow me down.
Yes, but rain can be peaceful too. When I was a kid, I loved hearing the rain while studying.
That's cute. Let's learn some sentences. Rain makes me calm.
Sunny days lift my mood.
Excellent. Sometimes people feel sad in winter because there's less sunlight.
Yes, it's called seasonal depression, but we can make our own sunshine. Listen to music, take a walk, smile more.
That's true. You can say, music brightens my day, or a walk cheers me up.
Exactly. We can't control the weather, but we can control our mood.
Just like English learning, some days are easy, some are hard, but keep going.
Let's learn emotion words with weather. I feel gloomy when it's cloudy. Gloomy equals sad. She has a breezy smile. Breezy equals happy, light. They had a stormy talk. Stormy equals angry.
Nice! Weather words can describe feelings too. That's fun.
True, like life. Sometimes sunny, sometimes rainy, but both are beautiful.
So deep, Anna.
Learning English is like weather. Some days are clear, some cloudy, but the sun always returns.
Exactly. Don't give up. One small sentence today can be your sunshine tomorrow.
Let's practice pronunciation. Repeat after us. Sunny, rainy, windy, foggy, snowy.
Great! Remember, practice makes progress, not perfection.
That's the secret. So Tom, what's your favorite weather for studying?
Morning sunshine. It makes me feel fresh.
I like rainy afternoons, calm and quiet.
And you, friends, when do you like to study? Morning? Night? Find your best time.
Yes, learning English should feel natural, like your own rhythm.
The weather changes, but your effort can stay the same.
Beautiful. Repeat after me. The weather changes, but I keep learning.
Wonderful. Okay, time to wrap up our lesson.
Today we talked about weather, feelings, and learning.
The weather teaches us something. Everything changes, and that's okay.
Just like English, some days are smooth, some not, but both matter.
Every mistake is part of your progress.
Yes, even small talk can bring big confidence.
Like saying, "How's the weather?" and making a real connection.
Exactly.
Let's review. Repeating after us. It's sunny today. It's raining outside. It's freezing. It's boiling hot. The weather makes me happy. Rainy days make me calm. Every cloud has a silver lining.
Great! If you can use just one of these in real life, that's success.
Progress takes time, like the seasons.
So Tom, what's your favorite weather feeling?
The smell of rain on warm ground. It feels new and fresh.
Nice. For me, it's the golden light before sunset. It makes me thankful.
Beautiful. You don't need perfect weather to learn English. Just start.
Rain or shine, hot or cold, keep learning.
Your voice matters. Your accent and mistakes make your English special.
So true. Don't hide your voice. Let it grow like flowers in spring.
What if someone feels like it's winter in their English journey?
I'd say winter never lasts forever. Spring always comes. Keep practicing.
That's powerful.
You're amazing just for learning today.
If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend.
And tell us, what's the weather like in your country? Which season makes you happiest? Write it in the comments.
Let's end with one last line. Repeat after me.
No matter the weather, I'll keep learning.
Again.
No matter the weather, I'll keep learning.
Perfect. One phrase a day brings confidence.
One small effort today can change your tomorrow.
From Mr. Boy English Channel, thank you for learning with us.
Take care, stay curious, and stay warm, whatever the weather.
See you next time. Keep shining and keep speaking English with heart. Bye for now.